This week, the World Health Organization declared an Ebola emergency in Congo and Uganda, where there are over 300 reported cases and more than 80 deaths, with no known vaccine or treatment available for this specific strain, prompting authorities to ramp up containment measures while the global risk is being closely monitored. As part of the response, health officials are actively engaging with communities to raise awareness about preventive measures, while emergency response teams are mobilizing resources to address the outbreak in densely populated areas, drawing attention to the significant risks posed by the viral spread. In parallel, research laboratories are intensifying their efforts to analyze samples from infected individuals, aiming to better understand the Ebola strain involved, while health workers are on the ground distributing hygiene kits and providing educational materials to rural communities, underscoring the critical role of sanitation and public awareness in curbing the outbreak. During a recent press conference, key health officials and representatives from the World Health Organization provided updates on the unfolding crisis, illustrating the importance of international collaboration in tackling the outbreak, while local hospitals are experiencing overwhelming pressure as they manage a surge of patients exhibiting symptoms associated with Ebola. International aid organizations are actively delivering essential supplies to remote villages affected by the outbreak, reinforcing the global commitment to support containment efforts, while researchers continue to focus on developing viable treatments and vaccines, marked by a renewed urgency amidst the ongoing health crisis. Local leaders and health officials are convening in community meetings to discuss strategies aimed at increasing awareness about vaccination, emphasizing the critical role of community involvement in health initiatives, while a digital map illustrates the alarming spread of Ebola cases over time across both Congo and Uganda, reflecting the escalating concern among health authorities. In public spaces such as crowded marketplaces, health workers are diligently administering temperature checks to monitor potential symptoms, highlighting the importance of early detection as a preventative strategy against the spread of the Ebola virus. While an infographic succinctly presents vital statistics regarding the crisis, including the number of reported cases, fatalities, and a timeline of the outbreak to better inform the public. Inside a local home, a family is seen discussing the dangers posed by Ebola while actively reviewing educational materials distributed by health officials, showcasing the vital role of family education in prevention efforts, alongside a team of epidemiologists examining a field suspected to be the source of infected animals, highlighting ongoing investigations into the origins of this outbreak. At a busy border checkpoint between Congo and Uganda, officials are conducting health screenings as part of measures to prevent the cross-border transmission of Ebola, while a local pharmacy is seen filled with antiseptics and protective gear, reflecting the community's heightened demand for preventative supplies in light of the ongoing health crisis. Drones are being utilized to capture aerial footage of remote villages, highlighting the logistical challenges faced in delivering medical supplies and support to isolated areas grappling with the Ebola outbreak. While in a temporary clinic established at a community center, a healthcare professional is seen administering rapid diagnostic tests, underlining the urgent need for testing as a critical component of containment efforts. In an effort to reach all segments of the population, a sign language interpreter is providing crucial health information to deaf community members, highlighting the inclusive approach taken to disseminate Ebola prevention measures, while an image captures an overflowing emergency room where patients are seen waiting for care, exemplifying the immense pressure being placed on healthcare facilities as they respond to the ongoing crisis. Children are actively engaged in a community health education session where a local health worker is teaching them about hygiene practices and Ebola prevention, underscoring the critical importance of educating the younger generation, while a well-guarded quarantine facility is visible, highlighting the stringent security measures being implemented to monitor individuals as part of the ongoing containment efforts in response to the Ebola outbreak. In the agricultural community, a local farmer is seen diligently inspecting his livestock for signs of illness, illustrating the essential role that farmers play in identifying potential sources of Ebola transmission from animals to humans. While a public health poster prominently displayed in the village offers clear instructions on recognizing Ebola symptoms and implementing prevention methods, aiming to enhance community awareness and response.